This is a Fender aerodyne. First, I changed pickups a billion times. Now I got these mojotone quiet coils and a Seymour Duncan phat in the bridge. Just swapped them out. Well, put those in, but I had a bare knuckle polymath. I didn't like it at all. It's too dark. I'm gonna try different pickups, so I'm gonna show you what this sounds like. Gonna be playing in this Bad Cat Cub with the flashback delay. Basically, I'm just on the overdrive channel, but it's not really gainy. So here's the neck. Next position, neck and middle. Middle. Bridge and middle. Bridge. So I'm gonna turn some distortion on. It's the way huge STO. You hear the no, these single coils have no hum whatsoever. Like here's the neck. But the bridge, being a Phat Cat, it's supposed to be a P90, has a little hum. Here's what it sounds like. But with this Bad Cat, basically it sounds better just with the distortion of the amp. I'll turn the distortion on the amp a little bit. Bad Cat's a good amp. It don't really need any pedals. Pedals don't really sound as good as it just does. Right now you can hear that hum. That's the Phat Cat. Like there's the neck. You don't hear nothing. Other positions, you don't hear nothing. But just that Phat Cat. That's it.